inshallah, Indian Nawayat Forum will be conducting a mega job fair on 29th of July this month in association with AMP, Association of Muslim Professionals, at Amina Palace Hall on National Highway in Bhatkal. This mega job fair will be open for all job seekers, graduates from and experienced professionals also across all communities and across several categories around this region. We invite all of you, people in and around Bhatkal, who are looking for job opportunities and take advantage of this great opportunity and register themselves at the earliest. The job seekers can apply and register themselves in various social media platforms and the media houses such as Sahil Online, Fikrokhabar and the local Kannada media, etc. and ensure you take the maximum advantage of this. During this job fair that we are conducting, there are basically two events that is going to be there. One is the job fair on 29th of July, and then on 30th of July there is a business and investment opportunities meet on 30th of July, wherein we will be bringing business houses and business opportunities and investors who are interested to actually looking for opportunities to invest in various businesses on this day, on 30th. So we will be bringing companies from various verticals such as retail, hospitality, healthcare, manufacturing, real estate, education, and all these areas. And the job seekers can be from the profile of the jobs. They will be from freshers who are just out of the college, and mid-segment basically job roles where people are looking for jobs in the experience range of somewhere between 1 to 10 years of experience. So we are planning to bring in about 40 to 50 companies here in this job fair, and we request the media houses to actually spread this word across the region, wherein you can actually, the people who are looking out for jobs can take the maximum advantage during this period. We conducted our job fair previously in 2020, April sometime, and during that time, that was our first job fair, and we were able to actually float out about 150 jobs during that time. This time we wanted to make it little bigger and widen the geography of basically this job fair, and this job fair is open to all across the region. So we all know that basically right now there is a job crunch that is going on in the market. So it is important that basically that we require your support to actually spread this message and take advantage, and the people around this region take advantage of these job opportunities to get good opportunities here. Apart from the companies that we are going to bring in the region across this district and the state, we are also planning to bring companies from abroad, that is Gulf regions, okay, through job consultants who are actually hiring for companies in Gulf region, and we are also contacting the business establishments of businessmen of who are actually belonging to this region, and so that we can actually, because a lot of people from this region prefer going for jobs abroad. So we are looking for we are in talks with business organization of businessmen who belong to this region also to come and actually participate in the job fair. This time we are actually association of Muslim Professionals AMP, because we understood that when we were actually going to organize this job fair, we met Mr. Anis, who is a member from this region, okay, that they are also interested to actually participate, conduct a job fair. So we thought, why actually having two job fairs, but make it as a little bigger event, and then so that the benefit goes together for the people across this region. So regarding this is what is regarding the event of 29th. On 30th, the event of business and investment opportunities, we will be bringing in various business opportunities and franchisees of established business houses in India, so that people who are looking out for business opportunities, okay, who are ready to invest in the range of somewhere between 25 lakhs and above, can actually think of actually establishing their businesses or just see some opportunities in this region. So this will also be a good opportunity, because this is a region where people are not just interested to take jobs, but they are. This is a place where, especially, but people are businessmen. So we are actually trying to bring in a good number of business opportunities also on 30th of July. But this meet will be especially for people who are actually interested to invest. Okay, it is not just a event like a fair open to all. Okay, but this is an event that is actually we are organizing for with candidates who are looking out for seriously looking out for some business opportunities. So this is in brief what we are going to do. In order to apply for the job fair, there is a registration link that we have actually circulated.
इंशाअल्लाह इंडियन नवायत फोरम 29 जुलाई, ये महीने की 29 जुलाई अमीना पैलेस में एक बड़ा मेगा जॉब फेयर कंडक्ट कर रहे हैं। ये जॉब फेयर हम AMP यानी एसोसिएशन ऑफ मुस्लिम प्रोफेशनल्स के साथ मिलके कर रहे हैं, क्योंकि AMP इसमें बहुत एक्सपीरियंस है ऑलरेडी। वो कम से कम 81 जॉब फेयर ऑलरेडी कर चुके हैं, और हम ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा कंपनीज़ को यहाँ पर लाके हमारे भटकल इन एंड अराउंड भटकल के जो जॉब सीकर्स हैं उनको ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा जॉब दिलवाने की कोशिश करेंगे।